Is it possible to add your real voice to Grok AI videos?
Like me, I was created with Grok AI video, but now I can talk like Blessing. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So make sure you watch this video to the very end. Without further ado, let's dive into it. First, we are going to head over to grok.com. You can access it at grok.com or through the S app. Once you are in, go to imaging. You are going to either generate your AI image or you're going to upload image. Let me give you an example of what you can use. A photo portrait of a man, a woman, depend on the one you want. Then you describe their skin, their hair, describe everything you want. And then facing forward, nature expression, soft studio lighting, high detail 4K. See, make sure the face is forward facing and clear. This gives you the best result when you animate it. So, but for this video, we are not going to be generating. I'm going to be uploading. So I'm going to click on image here and I'm going to get my image for this generation. I'm going to click here, then I'm going to click animate image. I'm going to click on my image. I'm going to open. So the next thing I need to do, if we've already uploaded our image, for those of you that are generating, that's like the first part. The second part is to animate it. And how we're going to animate it? By giving it our prompt. So I'm just going to paste this. She's talking to our audience with soft hand gesture and saying, is it possible to add your real voice to Grok AI? This is if you wanted to say something like the video I did. So he was saying something. But since this video, we don't want her to say anything. So I'm just going to say she's talking to our audience with soft hand gesture. I'm going to say she's talking to our audience with soft hand gesture. So I'm going to click on send this arrow here to generate it. So here is our AI video. You can see it's already generated. So we are going to go back to the third part, which is to generate our lip sync video. So we are going to go over to DreamFace. I'm going to just search DreamFace on your Google if you don't have the app already. So I'm going to click here, AI video lip sync, and it will take us here. I already have an account with it, that's why you're seeing me. So if you don't have an account with it, just create an account with Dreamface and then you get here. Then click on upload video or photo. So since we already have our Grok image, you're going to click on open. You see, I've already highlighted it and then I'm going to click on open. Once it's uploaded, you have it like this. This is our AI video that we got from Grok. So the next part is to add our audio to it. So we want it to talk like us, right? Because we have option to add text for it to talk here, or for we to give it AI script to just auto generate something. But then we have audio, so we're going to go over to audio. So if you already have your recorded audio or want to extract audio from your video, you should click here. But for we are not doing that. I'm going to actually record. So I'm going to click over to this record, and you see it's giving me up to 30 seconds for free version and up to 10 minutes for premium, but I don't want that premium. I'm doing it for the free, so I'm just going to record. Hey everyone, this is my AI avatar and this is actually my real voice. Pretty crazy, right? AI is wild. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to click on yes, okay. And then this resolution, we really don't have option to choose because we are on the free version. So it's going to show here. Make sure to keep it under 30 seconds for your first test and make sure you are in a quiet room, all right, so that it will actually get what you're seeing clear, because you know what you give it, it's what it returns back to you. And then we are going to click on generate. It will actually take some time for it to generate. All right, so while it is generating, if you have not liked this video, what are you still waiting for? Hit the like button and comment if you are getting value from this video. Please make sure to drop a comment on this video. So here's our results. Let's play it. Like me, I was created with Grok AI video, but now I can talk like Blessing. So in this video, I'm going to show, and that is it. This is our AI avatar animated in Grok with your real voice, perfectly synchronized in DreamFace. The whole process took less than 10 minutes, I get, right? So if you got value from this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, because I post AI tutorials like this every week. Comment below what you are going to use your AI avatar for. See, I read every single one of your comments and I respond to them. Comment below what you're going to use this AI for, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like. Bye.